Hey, welcome to James Shee's channel. Today we are going to dive into animate generation platform. Very interesting. Oh, remember follow this channel. Promise me. Welcome. This is made by PixAI. 新年快乐哦！祝你新年快乐，好吗？
What you just watched is what I made by this AI called PixAI. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, Jam. Today, we're going to dive in a very interesting AI. It's called PixAI.art. If you're an anime type person, you might fall in love with AI because by this AI, you can easily create amazing animate style video or images. Unlike any other AI platform, PixAI is focusing on animate style generations. The model inside of the PixAI is quite unique. You cannot find something like that in other platforms. And remember, I said not only images, but also videos. For example, like this one. And you can easily create it anime style video or images in seconds. Let's dive in PixAI.art. Okay, what we can do with the PixAI, first you can create images and second you can create videos. Besides this, you can also train your own LoRa's on PixAI. There's some special models for creating sophisticated style. For example, like this Serene. Serene is an AI model that are focusing on Korean style AI art. For example, like this one. Can I get a hell yeah? The style looks amazing. I think if you fall in love with this culture and you must be familiar with the Korean anime style, right? Sometimes a little bit dark. And how to use it, I will introduce later. But when you check the documentation, you can find there's a lot of styles inside. Alright, not only that, but also we have Tsubaki. Tsubaki, according to the documentation, is a revolutionary AI model that actually understands your version. So beneath some examples that are created by this Tsubaki, and you can keep the consistency, and it's very stable, and you can only use it in PixAI. And speaking of the animated style creation, I immediately think of the SDXL. Luckily, we can use that in PixAI. And beneath are some examples. This is quite cute, right? It is more like some animation style that's in my heart, like some culture from Japan. And I can think of many TV shows, TV series. For example, it's a semi-realistic animated model. So you can create characters more realistic. And also chibi models is more, it is a really cute style, right? Alright, enough for the talking, let's do some demonstration. So creating an image in PixAI is quite easy and you can type your prompt directly in here. But since we are not in a hurry, so let's just make a Safari. I highly suggest you to look around before you create one of your own. Some of the works from the communities, the author gives out the prompts that we can reuse. It really depends on your imagination. Okay, let's try something fun. So let's type. And let's just click the generate. After we click the generate, we're in this canvas. And you can see the AI is processing the animations. Alright, just within seconds, we are here. We have 4 images. That's so crazy. So now we have 4 different images, 4 different characters. I almost fall in love with the first one. What do you think? Yeah, I think each of the images are quite cool. And when we're hovering our cursor here, we can find some buttons. For example, like this animate button. And we have this describe image. PixAI will convert your image to prompt. So next time you can use them. And also you can click here variations. If you fall in love with this image, but you want a slightly minor difference, you can use this functionality. Let's just click the generate. Alright, so in next variations, we have 4 different new images, right? Slightly different, for example, like the hairstyle or the facial expression. You can find which one is your favorite. And also you can click here, use as a base image. So in this panel, you are able to change the AI models to create a new one. For example, if we choose this one, and you can click here, show more models. Here's all the preset AI models of the PixAI. If you don't want to spend time on testing each model, so you can just judge by the cover. It's especially designed for create a Korean animation style. Click use this model. And here is where we can choose a different LoRa. LoRa models are able to impact the final style. You can mix your base model with this LoRa model. For example, like this one, and you can change the strings. And also this is a multiple selection, so you can add more LoRa models, and you can add more LoRa models, but right now let's use this one. And for the number of the images, you can choose a single or batch. And here is a place that you can type all the negative prompts, and you can change some parameters. But I think we're good for now. What do you think? Which one is your favorite? I think more kind of like the Roletta. And you are able to make it into video. Just click here, animate. Well, immediately we have this tutorial. And in the video tab, we are able to use the start frame and the end frame. And we are able to change the AI models from V3.2 to V3.0 and also V2.7. I think I prefer the latest one. And now we'll select the professional. I guess this is good. So we have a Japanese, English, Chinese, Korean. Which one is your favorite? For example, let's try English first and let's type our prompt. Okay, just let's click the generate.
Also, James O's YouTube channel.
We can download the video and also you can publish this to the community of the PixAI. And let's try some edit function. Let's just click here. I found some characters that make no sense. And let's click the generate. And here we go. We remove the text and we can click here to animate this girl. And you can make her speak Chinese. Let's try Chinese this time. And let's click the generate button.
新年快乐哦！祝你新年快乐，好吗？
I gotta say I fall in love with this platform, man. Let's just download this video. So you can create, you can edit, you can even enhance it. How to enhance it? Just select one of the image and you're able to make the face enhance or fix the hand. Remember, some AI images has like 6 fingers. So you can use this AI model to enhance it. And you can remove the background. And also, you can make it to light art. Let's try this. You know, I bought an iPad and I downloaded this software called the Procreate. And you can use this light art to impaint the colors. And basically, that's all. We also have this Mio. You can directly use this AI agent to create whatever you want to create. For example, all right, just click the send. Oh, I love this. This must be Mio. So cute. This is a police girl I asked for AI. Let's change some style, right? Okay, I said I want to change the emotion to more angry but cute and the kitty with her, and I also want to change to colorful hair. I'm not sure if the police station allows that, but let's just click the send. Yes, it's more like it. We have a little kitten. We have a colorful hair and the impressions are so amazing. But I want a 4K image. Can we do that? Let's click send. Oh, before we start, I also want to introduce that you can also upload an image as a reference image. For example, you can upload your portrait and you can change the style. But now just let's click here. Alright, now I got my 4K version. That's so dope, right? Remember with Mio, you can create your images just by typing a prompt and you can talk to this agent and finally you get what you want. You can even make its animation. I think PixAI is a chat GPT for all the animation lovers. And when you click toolbox, you can find more creative tools for you to create your ideas. For example, you can create the outfits, you can make it into toys, you can make a sticker, whatever you want. You can even make the sheet, make it into a figure. If you want to create your own characters, for example, like the Labubu, like any IPs, famous IPs from Disney, you can do it now. You can use the PixAI to create a character that people might fall in love. Alright, so much for today. I really love this PixAI. Don't forget to check the description and check the links. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Alrighty, don't forget to follow our channel so we can discover more cool AI together. Say you will follow this channel? Say it!